Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. This beautiful trade that you see here is on Volatility 100 index. We took this trade with a free community, Telegram community. I shared this trade set up right here. I told them to sell. I gave them stop loss. They are currently deep in profit, as you can see right here. Okay, so let's quickly break this trade down. But before I go ahead, please give video a like. It helps the YouTube algorithm. Okay, so let's break this trade down. This on a 15 minutes chart. Let's of course go to the daily time frame. That's where I start all my analysis. Okay, so let's go to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, what I saw was this dealing range. Now when you say a dealing range, what it means is a situation where we take a high and we come and take a low. So you can see that this previous high price swept it, and now we come and take this old low. So it has created a dealing range. Okay, smart money dealers range. Once this happened, we know that the momentum or the direction is to the downside. So we wait patiently for price to come into premium, and in premium you look for what? Institutional reference point. So I saw this bearish order block that you see here. I wanted to look for sales around this bearish order block, but there was a zone that I refined on the 1 hour chart. Okay, inside this daily bearish order block. So let's go to the 1 hour charts and let me quickly refine that zone, show you that refinement. Okay, so going down to the 1 hour chart from the daily order block, you can see there is this 1 hour fair value gap, and on top of it is this clean order block. I was very interested in this area, and also inside the fair value gap on the 1 hour chart. So last two days price came into the area, gave us some nice sales. Okay, gave us some nice sales, but of course I was expecting price to sell to take this low and come all the way down to take this low, but it gave us a little profit, and then it came back again into the zone today. Okay, today. So since I know my daily bias is bearish, I'm looking for sales. I'm not chasing any bullish price. I'm only looking for sales. So price comes back into the zone one more time, and what it does is sweep this high. So this previous high that tapped into the zone has been swept one more time. So that's buy side liquidity. Anybody that sold here, that had stop loss there, that didn't take profit or partials, has been taken out. So if buy side liquidity has been taken out, we should anticipate price attacking the opposing liquidity, that's sell side liquidity, right? So as price took that high into the 1 hour order block one more time, also inside an overall daily bearish order block, I was looking for what? Sell opportunities. So as you can see on the 1 hour chart, very clear, we had a clean break of structure here after sweeping the high here into the order block. We also have this short-term high that was taken, right? And we broke structure aggressively to the downside from this low. Okay, so I was interested in looking for what? Sales. Also looking for sales. So we have this supply zone on the 1 hour chart, which I refined on the 15 minutes. So let me quickly show you that in the 15 minutes. So going down to the 15 minutes, this is the 1 hour supply zone that I refined. Beautiful 1 hour area where I refined on the 15 minutes for this beautiful bearish order block, which has a fair value gap. We have a manipulation of the highs, break of structure to the downside after tapping into this daily and then 1 hour order block in the premium dealing range. So now shifting market structure, 15 minutes zone that has been refined inside the 1 hour level. We have this short-term high, price sweeps it into this bearish order block. That's where we started to sell, and I gave this sell signal to the Telegram community, and now we are selling. We are deep in profit. I'm expecting price to take this low as the opposing liquidity, because everybody that went long and they have their stop losses here, some stubborn ones who play stop losses here, some long-term traders or position traders will also be keeping stop losses here still. So if buy side liquidity has been taken out, opposing liquidity is this sell side liquidity zone that I've marked. I'm expecting more sales down to these lows. And overall, I'm expecting the daily low to be taken. If I should go back to the daily chart. So if the daily is still bearish and price has retraced into premium, we expect that price to continue to sell all the way down to take this daily low. Okay, so short-term take profits are here and long-term take profit is here. So that's how I framed this setup, and it was just very beautiful. So now, right now on the 15 minutes chart, I see that go back to the 15 minutes chart. I see this clean fair value gap right here, a very huge one. So what I think is that price is coming to fill this fair value gap and give some more sales to the downside to attack this sell side liquidity. We also have this flip zone that price has just created. You can also call it a mitigation block. So another institutional reference point to induce more selling into the market. We also have this breaker block here. As you can see, we have a low, a lower low, and a higher high. So manipulation of this high, a break of structures to the downside here. So this is also another dealing range. Price is retracing into premium of this dealing range where we took high and we took a low. Price retraces into that dealing range one more time, and we look for we will hit the sell button one more time to add up to our sell positions from this mitigation block or from this breaker block. So this is a breaker block, because this is the down close candle that supported price to take this high buy side liquidity. So now that we've broken below it, that's a breaker block. It's an area to look for sales. Let me change the color. Yeah, so it's an area to look for sales, right? And we have our fair value gap here. We also have this mitigation block here. This mitigation block here. So that area is nested. I don't like this color. Let me change it again. Yeah, so that area is nested fair value gap, mitigation block, breaker block. So we can look for more sales right here to attack the lows. Okay, here inside here, this area, looking for more sales. We'll be adding up positions, and we are going to hold it for these lows. Okay, so if you're not part of my Telegram community, there's a link in the description box. Please join. But before you do, please subscribe. If you've not subscribed to the channel, please do. Turn post notification on and give this video a like. It encourages me to do more videos for you like this so I can learn from it. Bye, guys.